Welcome. In today's tutorial, we learn how to remove elements from an array based on a condition. We use a JavaScript function that filters and then splices elements. It is a cool trick that returns all removed items while mutating the original array. Let's dive in and see how it works. The function removes elements for which the condition is true and returns those removed values. At the same time, it modifies the original array in place. So, in our example, even numbers are taken out, and only the odd ones remain. Now, let's walk through how the code actually does this. We first filter out all values that match the condition. Then, we use reduce to go over those values. Remove each from the original array and push them into a new array of removed elements. If the input is not an array, we just return an empty array. This logic gives us a 2-for-1 result. We both mutate the original array and return the removed values. Using splice ensures we remove the correct elements by index. It is efficient and flexible for cleanup tasks in real code. As you can see, the function is quite versatile. You can use any condition, like checking for even numbers or filtering by value size. This makes it really handy for modifying arrays dynamically. Let's explore where this technique might come in handy. You'll see this pattern in real-world JavaScript often, especially for filtering user data. It is also great in games, removing inactive entities, or simplifying state updates in web apps. Anytime you need to both update and report what changed, this pattern fits. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. We use array methods to remove items and track what was removed. It is a neat example of chaining built-in functions for practical results. Give it a try in your own apps. You'll find this technique surprisingly useful. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.